In this video, we will introduce list view. If you have a long list of items that you want to display to the user, the list view can be used. Let's look at a basic example. First, here I have my main6.xml to be used with my activity. I'm going to create a text view. I'm going to set the namespace to android.com. And I'm also going to set the layout width, the layout height, I'm also going to set padding to 10 dp and also text size. Okay, now that I have my view ready, let's take a look at the activity. First, notice that I'm extending list activity. List activity is an activity that displays a list of items by binding a data source such as an array or cursor and exposes event handlers when the user selects an item. List activity hosts a list view object that can be bound to different data sources, typically either an array or a cursor holding query results. Binding, screen layout, and row layout can be used as well. Notice that I have a string array of cars with values. Let's take a look at our onCreate method. The first thing to notice is the setListAdapter method being called. We use the setListAdapter method to bind the list view to an array adapter object, which in turn loads the string array. The array adapter is a concrete base adapter that is backed by an array of arbitrary objects. The parameters are the context, the resource ID for a layout file containing a text view to use when instantiating the views, which we just created, and also the objects to represent in the list view, which will be our string array. Then we call getListView. We use the method getListView to get the activity's list view widget. This returns us a list view, a view that shows items in a vertically scrolling list. The items can come from the list adapter associated with this view. Once we have our list view, we call setTextFilteredEnabled. And this enables or disables the type filter window. If enabled, typing when this view has focus will filter the children to match the user's input. Finally, on our list view, we set an onItem click listener. And when any item is clicked, we show a toast message with the text view text. So now let's demonstrate our functionality. I already have the Android emulator up and running. I also have already installed my app on the emulator. If you want to start the emulator and run the app, right click on your project, select Run as Android Application. Okay, so here we see the list of cars being shown, and when I click any of them, we have a toast message. And this is a simple list view. This concludes our discussion of list view.